How's it going? Bo with Tech Talk. Here last night we installed some whip lights, and earlier today we put on a cab on a 4-seater. Whip lights turned out great. So the cab wasn't too bad. We've got it all snapped down. We didn't snap this one yet. We're gonna wait because we're still gonna be putting some seismic mirrors on. We've got the windows zipped back, rolled up. And so far, so good. They already had a back glass in the windshield. This is the whips. I bought the whip through Polaris. I don't know the name, the actual name brand of the whips. And I don't know the name brand of the cab enclosure either. But it is a nice cab enclosure. We put the little snaps on, and when you zip it all down and snap it, it's fully cabbed up. And with our rain top that we built for the Pro Box top, I'm gonna say you're gonna be completely dry. Did have to take their side mirrors off. They had some mountable side mirrors up in this area. Tried to move them down, but with the windshield mount and all, it wouldn't work. But seismic makes a bracket that'll bolt here, and I think we can do a little maneuvering and get some seismic mirrors put on there. But Glenn needs to watch this thing though. It is a little bit nasty, just a little bit. That's what happens when you go to West Point. He hadn't cleaned his up since Cam's ride. Mine's done been washed twice, but only because I wanted to try out the new foam cannon, and I wanted to get that ceramic coating on there before we go to West Point to the poker run. But anyway, Cam's ride was awesome at Talladega Top Trails. Had a good turnout. See you next time.